Okay, energy is stored in a capacitor. Here the figure of capacitor. Both the plates are equal. Both the plates are equal. Charge Q. Here charge Q. Charge Q equals to C into V. देखिए चार्ज Q equals to C into V. Now additional small charge, additional small charge, additional small charge dq, additional small charge dq. So work done dw equals to v into dq. पहले वर्क डन dw equals to v into dq. पहले नेक्स्ट लाइन dw equals to v means from here v equals to q by c into dq. Look at this. पहले v equals to q by c into dq. For very small charge work done dw. For total charge q, the total work done w equals to integration dw equals to integration q by c into dq. Total work done w equals to integration dw equals to integration q by c dq. Look at this babu. Charge from 0 to capital Q, 0 to capital Q, 0 to capital Q in dw, that 0 to capital Q. Next line, the total work done w equals to 1 by c into integration 0 to q, q dq. তাহলে ইন্টিগ্রেশন কিউ ডিকিউ ফর্মুলা বাবু, ইন্টিগ্রেশন কিউ ডিকিউ, इंटीग्रेशन क्यू डी क्यू फॉर्मूला ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन क्यू इंटू डी क्यू. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है कि क्यू स्क्वायर बाई टू. सो नेक्स्ट लाइन 1 बाई सी इंटू क्यू स्क्वायर बाई टू. सो 0 टू क्यू. डेफिनिट इंटीग्रल. पहले पुट दिस वैल्यू कैपिटल क्यू स्क्वायर बाई टू माइनस 0 स्क्वायर बाई टू, कैपिटल क्यू स्क्वायर बाई टू माइनस 0 स्क्वायर बाई टू. सो वर्क डन W इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई सी इंटू क्यू स्क्वायर बाई टू. पहले नेक्स्ट लाइन हाफ इंटू हाफ इंटू क्यू स्क्वायर बाई सी. पहले वर्क डन W इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू क्यू स्क्वायर बाई सी. टोटल वर्क डन, here total work done W equals to half Q square by C. Half Q square by C. पहले total work done. So equation of total work done half Q square by C. It is also right. Again next point, look at this. Again देखिए जे actually we know that Q equals to C V बाबू. Q equals to C into V. Q equals to C into V. So work done also since W equals to half into look at this, the half into the value of Q CV, the whole square divided by C. That means half into C square V square divided by C. That means finally work done W equals to half C V square. पहले वर्क डन W इक्वल्स टू हाफ सी वी स्क्वायर. फाइनली वर्क डन W इक्वल्स टू हाफ सी वी स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट लाइन देखो, दिस वर्क डन also stored as electrostatic potential energy. Stored as electrostatic potential energy. This work done also stored as electrostatic potential energy. So electrostatic potential energy U equals to electrostatic potential energy U equals to half CV square. Very important formula, babu. Very important question. This question also comes in any board exam. They show that the energy is stored in a capacitor. The formula is energy stored in a capacitor U equals to half CV square, or U equals to half into Q into V. This is also right. Both are the equation. U equals to half CV square. Energy stored U equals to half CV square. Also right. And energy stored U equals to half into Q into V. This is also right. And it is also right. Half into Q square by 2C. Half into Q square by 2C. देखिए फिर next equation energy U equals to half into Q square by C. पहले three equation for energy stored in capacitor. Three equation for energy stored in capacitor. Energy stored means potential energy. Actually, for this gain of potential energy, obviously here work done possible, and this work done here converted into electrostatic potential energy. Then electrostatic potential energy. So here the electrostatic potential energy U equals to half CV square. Number one equation. Number two U equals to half into Q into V. Number three U equals to half into Q square by C. Okay, very important formula. Next, देखिए this formula also we prove another method. देखिए दूसरा method. Another method. This method is called graphical method. Actually, graphical method also important because any time problems will come through this method. Look at this, bro. Then y-axis produce y-axis and x-axis, bro. Y-axis and x-axis. Look at this. This point is origin. This point origin. Through y-axis, we draw potential. V means potential. Look at this. V means potential. Potential we draw through along y-axis. R Q. Q is charge. Charge. Q means babu charge. Charge draw along x-axis. Charge draw along x-axis. Now draw a triangle. Draw a triangle Q. O, this point is B, O, B, A. O, A, B. O, A, B. Method, graphical method. Alternate proof of U equals to half CV square equals to half into Q into V equals to half into Q square by C. Alternate proving method. Look at this first. Here actually Q is directly proportional to V. Actually Q is directly proportional to V. Answer देखिए. Actually we know that Q is directly proportional to V. As Q directly proportional to V, so this graph passes through origin, and obviously this graph will be in a straight line. Directly proportional means a straight line. A straight line, OA straight line. So Q is directly proportional to V. Next line, or Q equals to constant C into V. C constant. This constant is called capacitance. This constant is called capacitance. C is a constant, this constant is called capacitance, babu. Now area of this triangle, look at this, area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle. Now area of triangle, कौन सा triangle? OAB. Look at this. Area means, we know area means half into base into height. From lower class we know that half into base into height, base হচ্ছে OB into height AB, তাহলে half into, देखिए OB means কি? OB means Q, charge, into AB means potential V, তাহলে finally we get half into Q into V. So first option proof. And this area of OAB, that is work done, this work done is stored as potential energy. So here area means work done means stored as potential energy U equals to half into Q into V. ঠিক আছে? If we put the value, actually we know Q equals to CV, তাহলে half into Q means CV into V, that means finally half CV square, half CV square, finally ki half CV square as Q equals to CV. Through graphical method we also prove that Q stored energy U equals to half CV square, stored energy U equals to half CV square. And again we also prove this equation. कैसे देखिए, जे Q equals to CV, next line, Q equals to CV, पहले Q equals to CV whole square divided by 2C, CV means Q, पहले Q square by 2C, पहले energy stored U equals to, first formula half Q into V proof, second formula half CV square proof, third formula half into Q square by C also proof. तीनों formula proof. Next line देखिए, numerical through this method. Look at this babu. Numerical through this method. Like if the distance between numerical, if the distance between, देखिए if the distance between the plates of a parallel plate, look at this babu, पहले actual answer देखिए, distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor 200 microfarad first capacitor and second potential 400 volt. Calculate the change in energy stored in it. তাহলে initial situation, initial energy here, initial energy U1 formula we know babu half CV square. देखिए half into, look at this, the value of C means कितना, 200 microfarad, ठीक है ना, 200 microfarad, that means 200 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V square means 400 square. V square means 400 square. That means the energy, the unit of energy is joule. Unit of energy is joule. Initial energy. Next we can calculate final energy. Look at this, 2 cut, पहले को तो 416, ultimate 16 joule energy, ठीक है, देखिए को तो 16 joule. Next दूसरा पॉइंट फाइनल एनर्जी बाबू, फाइनल एनर्जी that is we indicate as U2 equals to, ठीक, सेम फॉर्मूला half CV square, कि charged is halved, charged is halved। देख अगर यहाँ पे charged half means बाबू capacitor, the value of capacitor obviously changes। charged half means capacitor মানে 400 half CV square, তাহলে charged half means capacitance 400, তাহলে capacitance 200 double 400, তাহলে 400 into 10 to the power minus 6 into CV square, তাহলে V is halved also, তাহলে half means 200, তাহলে 200 square, 200 square। देखिए Q unchanged and V will halved, so new potential difference obviously halved। ठीक है, कैसे हुआ जे लिखे Q unchanged as Q unchanged बाबू, Q unchanged, पहले Q unchanged, therefore V will be halved, therefore V will be halved, will be halved, Q unchanged, therefore V will be halved, V will be halved, so new potential will be, so new potential will be, देखिए new potential will be 200 volt, তাহলে বাবু new potential will be 200 volt। सो इसलिए जो फाइनल एनर्जी देखो, फाइनल एनर्जी को तो ये पे 8 जूल बाबू, फाइनल एनर्जी 8 जूल। सो फाइनली एनर्जी चेंज, कैलकुलेट द चेंज इन एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन इट, তাহলে लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी दैट मीन्स एनर्जी स्टोर्ड। सो एनर्जी स्टोर्ड दैट मीन्स लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, energy stored that means loss of energy में del u equals to u2 minus u1 equals to 16 minus 8, so finally 8 joule, energy stored 8 joule। so very important problems। next another type problems, look at this। टू आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर C1 C2, देखिए न्यूमेरिकल C1 C2 दोनों आइडेंटिकल ऑफ इक्वल कैपेसिटेंस आर कनेक्टेड एज शोन इन फिगर। टर्मिनल ए बी ऑफ द की के कनेक्टेड टू चार्ज्ड कैपेसिटर C1, using battery of EMF V volt। now disconnecting AB and terminal BC, connected, what will be the percentage loss of energy babu? two pattern ये पे, पहले two pattern means at first when AB connected, then initial energy is stored। देखिए when AB connected, then initial energy, look at this initial energy, so initial energy E1 equals to, पहले AB when connected initial energy E1 equals to half CV square, फॉर्मूला की half CV square। देखिए यहाँ पे C means कैपेसिटेंस, पहले वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस C, V means कितना, फर्स्ट सिचुएशन द वैल्यू ऑफ V, द वैल्यू ऑफ V, दीप्तानु बताओ, value of V completely unknown, that means 100, completely unknown means 100, पहले half into C into 100. Completely unknown means let 100, the value of 100. তাহলে 100. So finally 1000 by 5 to the 10 00, তাই না? वो कितना आया তাহলে 5000 হলো 5000 C 5000 C. Look at this. এবার next another condition, when BC connected the charge will be shared both capacitor, তাই না? BC connected, BC both are connected, তাহলে charge will be shared. Charge shared means so V equals to common potential, তাহলে কি পাবো C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Look at this. Look, C1 V1, C1 means C, V1 means V1 means 1100 plus C2 means C, V2 means 0 divided by C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 means কি বেশি তো বড় C plus C. So finally 100C divided by 2C. 100C divided by 2C. C cut. That means finally common potential 50 volts. Common potential 50 volt. তাহলে common potential 50 volt connected, what will be the percentage loss of energy বাবু? তাহলে percentage loss of energy half CV square. Now final energy দেখি final energy U2, তাহলে U2 equals to half C common potential square. C into common potential square, common potential কি V, তাহলে C means C half into C into common potential V means 50 square. 50 square common potential V means 50 square. So কি 2500 C, 2500 C. So loss of percentage क्या हुआ? Very very important problems. Loss of percentage loss equals to, देखिए 5000 C minus 2500 C divided by 5000 C into 100, তাই না? 5000 C minus মানে U2 minus U1 divided by U2 minus U1 divided by বাবু না U1 minus U2 divided by U1 minus U2 divided by U1, 5000 into 100%. Ultimate answer कितना आया थे 50%. Finally answer काम 50% बाबू. Finally answer काम 50%. Finally the answer 50%. Look at this next. Okay.